The Air Force is revamping its recruiting strategies to address challenges in attracting new personnel. The Air Force Recruiting Service is merging with Air University's Gene M. Holmes Center, which manages the service's Reserve Officer Training Corps and Officer and Warrant Officer training programs, to create the Air Force Accession Center. The restructuring aims to streamline communication, improve resource sharing, and boost efficiency. The Air Force will also add 370 recruiters and create mobile recruiting cells for greater flexibility. The changes come as the Air Force seeks to meet increasing recruiting goals after barely meeting its fiscal 2024 recruiting targets.